Hey guys, sorry it took me so long to make a video like this, but I ask that you please listen carefully and follow instructions how they are going to be listed later on in the video, because any comments not following the format that I'm going to provide will be deleted. So if you didn't know, several months ago, around August, September of last year, 2020, Wattpad closed their community forums, and if you don't know what this was a place where readers and writers could go and like do self-promo, make friends, get tips on how to improve their writing, yada yada yada. And more specifically, it was a place where writers could go to post links to their story and basically advertise themselves to try to build an audience. This was especially beneficial for brand new writers that were just starting out on Wattpad. So yeah, they closed that down. But at the making of this video, Wattpad has yet to bring back the forums, and there hasn't been much of an update about when or if they ever plan on bringing it back. So I don't know if it's gone for good or if they're gonna rebuild it and make a new one. I don't know. But in the meantime, since my channel is kind of dedicated to all things writing, and more specifically writing on Wattpad, I figured I'd make a video where you guys could drop links and share your stories in the comment section below, and hopefully connect with other writers and gain some readers, and yeah, do a little bit of self-promo down there for you guys. As a writer myself, I know how hard it can be when you're just starting out and you have no idea about how to go about promoting yourself to get people to come and read your story. So this is all for you guys, and it doesn't matter if you're a small writer or you already have a lot of reads on your books already. Bare minimum, if you have a Wattpad account and at least one book that you're updating regularly, then feel free to post a link to your story in the comment section below to promote yourself. But do make sure to look at some of the other comments as well, to help another writer out, pay it forward or whatever, because we could all use the help right now since the community forums are down and don't have a place to go. Before I end this video, there is a specific format that I want everyone to follow so that we can keep things nice and tidy in the comments. So please follow the format that is currently listed on the screen right now, and comment it below with your information filled in. I think you can copy and paste. I will put the format in the YouTube description box if you want to copy and paste that, or you could just type it out, whatever. It's not a lot. I do have it to where, because of spam bots and shit, I do have it to where links are automatically blocked when someone tries to post a link on one of my YouTube videos. So I will have to manually approve everything, and I will. However, if you're not following the format listed, I will not approve your comment. So please follow instructions, and let's try to keep everything organized. Also, please only comment with one book of yours, not multiple. Do not submit multiple submissions. I don't want things to get out of control, and I want everybody to get a chance. So please only comment with one story and not your entire catalog. So make sure you're going to be linking to your best work. And if you don't know how to share your story from the app, I made a video showing you the steps, and we'll play that now. Otherwise, thanks so much for listening, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Okay, so once you open the app, go to the story that you want to share. Once you open the app and go to your profile, click on the story that you want to share. It'll look something like this, or it should look something like this. Click on view as reader, and as you see on the bottom here, there's a share button. You can hit copy link, and then you can go back and post that in the comment section on the YouTube video. So if you're on your story page and it looks something like this, in the upper right hand corner there's like a little box with an arrow pointing upwards. You can click on that and copy link as well. I'm on iOS, so that's why it looks like this. And yeah, it's the same format if you're on Android as well. Nothing different.